Hello! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 245 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First, we need to press and hold the up button to open the menu. So press and hold the button, and after a second or two, the menu should open. Once the menu opens, you should see the option called watch face, and it should be selected by default. But if it's not selected, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. So select the watch face option and then press the start/stop button to enter. And this will open the watch face menu, and here we can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the list of watch faces. Find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, select it, and then press the start/stop. Select the apply option and press the start/stop to confirm. And the watch face should be applied. You can also customize some of the watch faces. So let's open the watch face menu, select the watch face, then press the start/stop. And here you can scroll down to select the customize option. And once you select it, you can press the start button to enter. And here we can customize a couple of options. We have a dial, hands, data, accent color, background color. So first let's select the dial, then press the start button, and here we can select the type of the dial by pressing the up and down buttons to scroll through the list. Select the dial, then press the start button to confirm. Next we have the hands. Press the start button, change the type of hands according to your liking, and then press the start button to confirm. Then we have data, and here we can change what type of data will be displayed on our watch face. Like this. Then we have accent color. Here we can change the color of the accent, as you can see. Then we have background color, and we can change between black and white. And once you're done, press the start. And then once you're done customizing your watch face, you can simply select the done option and press the start button to confirm. And here we have our watch face. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.